Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Cybersecurity Hub. If you are studying for the exam CCSK version 5, you are in the right place. In this video, we are diving into the domain 1 of CCSK exam, that is cloud computing concepts and architectures, the foundation for everything in cloud security. This domain covers 3 key areas. You will learn how to define cloud computing, understanding cloud computing models, and exploring the scope, responsibilities, and models of cloud security. Defining cloud computing. We begin with how cloud computing is defined. According to NIST, cloud computing is a model for enabling ubiquitous, convenient, on-demand network access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources. It includes 5 essential characteristics: on-demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, and measured service. There are also 3 service models exist in cloud computing. Those are IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, and 4 deployment models, that is public, private, hybrid, and community. Cloud computing models. Understanding the shared responsibility model is crucial for here. For example, with infrastructure as a service, that is IaaS, the provider secures the infrastructure while you are responsible for the operating system, data, and applications. With platform as a service, that is PaaS, your responsibilities are reduced. You mainly focus on your apps and data, and with software as a service, that is SaaS, most of the responsibility shifts to the provider. Each model comes with different security challenges and governance implications. Cloud security scope, responsibilities, and models. In the final section of this domain, we look at how cloud security responsibilities are distributed between cloud providers and consumers. This includes understanding security controls, data ownership, and legal obligations. The Cloud Security Alliance's reference model breaks this down into logical layers: the physical layer, infrastructure layer, application layer, and data layer. This helps organizations define who is responsible for what, especially in hybrid or multi-cloud environments. Key takeaways. To recap, understand the core NIST definition and characteristics of cloud computing. Know the differences between IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, and what you are responsible for in each of these sections. Be clear on how security responsibilities are shared across different layers of cloud services. That wraps up the domain 1 of CCSK version 5 exam. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more CCSK prep videos and drop your questions in the comments. Coming up next, domain 2, that is cloud governance and strategies. I will see you there. Bye.